we are in the final day of Fyuz 22. I'm here at the stand of Edgecore Networks and I'm speaking to Heimdall Siao, who is the president of Edgecore Networks. So, Heimdall, great to be here and I hope you have been enjoying the show so far. So, tell us about what you are actually showing here.
Yeah, we're at TIP Fyuz today. Very excited to show our disaggregated open networking solutions. We're involved with TIP in various projects, such as open optical transport, disaggregated cell-site gateways. We're also working on the core routers, the DDBR they call it, and on open Wi-Fi, open BNG. There's a lot of projects, but what we're trying to do is provide an ecosystem to support open networking and disaggregated.
Right. So you actually covered a lot of different things. Some of the things which I was going to ask. So let's look at what you said. So you mentioned disaggregation, right? And basically that leads to diversification in the industry. So how do you think that affects the industry, and how is your company driving this change?
Yeah, I think disaggregation is really the right thing to do for the industry. It reduces the barrier of entry for vendors or individuals that are creators of technology. And it also provides more options, more control for those purchasing and consuming. We're a vendor for networking platforms. And if you have more selection, innovation speeds up, contribution from more people is there, and vendors have more choice how to consume that equipment. The analogy I have is computers back in the day with the big mainframes, you're very limited to who can sell and develop that equipment. Today, you can write software, you can download applications on your laptop, your PC, your servers. No one's going to control what you can do with that equipment. And likewise, for mobile phones, I have an Android, I have an iPhone. I could develop any app I want. I can download Uber, YouTube, Chrome, and there's no central authority to dictate how I can use that equipment. And that's what we're trying to do with networking. So we provide open networking solutions, not just the hardware, but we also provide open networking Linux. We provide an operating system that's fully functional, like Sonic. And with this ecosystem, creators and consumers of networking products could have a wide variety of selection how to develop or use the product.
So we are in the final day of Fyuz. So how has your experience been so far?
Fyuz for us has been very positive. It's very important for us. It's a way we can interact with customers and the vendors. And really, it's good to discuss with the various operators, the service providers of they consume this product technology to understand how are the requirements evolving as we move to 5G and beyond. And what we don't want to do is create a product that no one wants to use. So understanding requirements that are common across all these customers, create a common platform, and of course, working with the suppliers, software companies, maybe even chipset vendors to see what is technically possible to satisfy these customer requirements. So Fyuz is very important for us in the technology development regard. But Fyuz is also very important to us because it brings business connections, whether it's system integrators or resellers, they come visit our booth. We discuss with them new opportunities with our service provider connections we discuss with here. So it's a way to create technology and to sell technology, and that's very important for us.
Oh, that's fantastic. So one final question, right? And I'm sure you have tried all the different kinds of very interesting fusion food here. So my final question is, what's your favorite cuisine? As in, not here, but in general, what's your favorite cuisine?
Cuisine, I love Italian food. I love French food. And I also really like Japanese food. But at Fyuz, this event, the thing I like the most is the coffee. It's very, very strong coffee. So
Yes, that's the coffee that actually even wakes us up. So, Xiao, Heimdall, thanks for speaking with us. It's great to be here. Thanks for explaining what you guys do. So, I hope you have a fantastic rest of the event and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
Zahid.
Cheers.